If you're trying to choose between Divi and Wix, I can share my experience using both and what I think works best. I started with Divi a while ago because I wanted a WordPress theme that could give me full control without needing to code everything from scratch. Honestly, Divi is super powerful and flexible. The drag and drop builder is smooth, the website publishing options make it easy to see changes in real time, and the auto update feature keeps everything current without me worrying about breaking my site. I really like that it works for beginners who just want a clean website and for advanced developers who want to tweak every detail. One thing I noticed is that some of the more advanced website builder tools are not as strong, but Divi makes up for it with excellent backend integration. You can connect different plugins, manage SEO, and even do things like keyword research right from the interface. The price is $89 per year, which I think is reasonable considering the power it gives you. On the other hand, Wix has been my go-to for client projects where I needed something simple and fast. I used it for a dance competition website, and I loved how the contact form feature organized all inquiries in one place. It really helped me respond quickly to potential clients and know when parts of the site were down. Wix is also great for group scheduling, multi-location businesses, and even small e-commerce setups. I found it less flexible in some cases. For instance, one client wanted to display more than 4 horizontally scrolling products at once, and I needed some custom code to make it work. But for most small business websites, it's easy to use, intuitive, and the live chat and email support is very helpful. Pricing starts at $17 per month, which is good for the features you get, and there is a free version if you just want to test things out. In terms of performance, I felt Divi was slightly better for complex websites where speed and consistent backend support matter. Wix is excellent for beginners or businesses that need to get online fast without worrying about hosting or WordPress updates. Both have strong integrations, like live chat, Meta for Business, and Twitter, and both handle website publishing smoothly. If you're looking at customer support, Divi has amazing documentation, live webinars, and videos, while Wix shines with its quick help desk, FAQs, and 24 hours and 7 days live support. Honestly, it comes down to what you value more. If you want total flexibility and a theme that can grow with your website over time, Divi is worth the investment. If you want speed, ease of use, and organized tools for handling clients, Wix is the way to go. I've personally used both, and I feel confident saying each has its strengths, depending on whether you're building a personal project or managing a client website.